how to select a voice for type responses in live caption on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we then scroll down. And in here, tap on accessibility, then tap on hearing enhancements. Next, tap on live caption and then scroll down. In here, tap on voice for type responses and then choose a language. So at the moment, I only have English and Italian installed. If you want to install more languages, you can go back here and then at the top here, you can select more languages. Once you install more languages, it will become available in this list down here. After that, you can select a voice.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Hi, how are you doing today?
And that's it. So pick one of the available voices and then tap on the back key. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.